Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how to log into your Submagic account. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. I'm going to use Google Chrome right here. And after opening the browser, all you have to do is go to the search bar right here and start typing submagic.co. After typing submagic.co, tap on the enter button on your keyboard and this will take you to the official website of Submagic. And in here you can see the option of login right here. Click on it. And you can see now the login page has been opened. So if you have linked your account with your Google directly, you can click on login with Google and then your Submagic that is linked with your Google will be opened. So I have created my account manually, so I'm going to click on this email option right here and click on this password option, type down my password and then click on login with email. Just like this, you can see I have write down my mail address and I'm going to click on this password option and then start typing my password of my Submagic account. After typing down your password, now click on login with email. And just like this, you can see you have now successfully been logged into your Submagic account. You can click on your profile icon right here and then see you have your email address right here. And just like this, you have successfully been logged into Submagic account. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.